Hello, my name is Eduard van Grinsven. I will be giving you a short demonstration of complete dynamics. Complete Dynamics is a professional software product for professional homeopathic practitioners. The program is very easy to use for practitioners who are very experienced, as well as for students who just took their first steps in the world of homeopathy. But at the same time, the program is very powerful and has all you need. We will start our demonstration with a quick look at the different modules that you find in the program. On the top section you find Index, Book, Find, Case, Analysis and MM. These are the main modules of Complete Dynamics. The Index module, which we are looking at right now, gives you quick access to various parts of the complete repertory, like for instance abdomen. All I needed to do was click on it, and the book module, which is the second module, will open immediately in the abdomen. As you see, the repertory looks exactly like a real printed book, and navigating through the pages is very easy. It can be done in different ways. I will now demonstrate it using the keyboard. I simply press the key right to flip through the pages. But you can also walk from rubric to rubric. It is also easy to navigate between chapters. Now sometimes the information you see is too much. You don't want to see all the remedies in all the situations. It's very easy to change that. Now we see only the rubrics and the cross-references. I can even remove the cross-references, and now it is very easy to look for the rubric I wanted to. Now all the remedies are back again. At the bottom of the screen you will see a Jump To field. This field can be used to instantly jump to any rubric in the repertory if you know exactly where to find it. Let me demonstrate you. I want to go to the rubric Mind Fear of Dogs. I just type M, fear dogs, there we are. Maybe in another situation you do not know exactly which rubric you are looking for. In that case you can use the Find module to quickly locate any rubric that you want. As a demonstration, I will first look for all the rubrics that have some affinity with the morning. In the text field I simply type morning, and instantly I see all the rubrics in the repertory that have the word morning in it. Now imagine I am interested in the Natrum Muriaticum rubrics of morning. I simply type the abbreviation for Natrum, and there we go. Now that's still a lot of rubrics. I can also say that I want remedies with at least grade 3. Instantly the result on the screen changes. You notice that searching and locating remedies and rubrics is very fast in Complete Dynamics. I can also limit my search to a number of chapters in the repertory. For instance, only the mind and generalities. I select the 2 chapters, click OK, and now the results are restricted to mind and generalities. I can also restrict to, for instance, time rubrics. From the results in the Find module, you can quickly jump back to the Book module for any rubric that you want. I simply double-click, and now the Book module opens on the rubric that I clicked on. You can also quickly ask more information about all the remedies that are listed in the rubric. For instance, Lycopodium. I double-click, and a small dialog opens showing me the names of the authors: George Yar, Kelvin, Knur, and the books that the remedies originate from. You also find some taxonomy information. We will now take a look at the Case module. In the case module, you can manage all your patients. By selecting one, you switch from one file to another, and you open it by clicking. You see that it looks like a real patient file with all kinds of papers in it. On the top left side, we see a patient information paper, which contains all the information we have about the personal status of the patient. Just double click and you can edit all the information. At the bottom you see a piece of paper with recently made prescriptions. It's very easy to look at the details or to edit or to add a new prescription. And on the right hand side you find a list with all the analyses that have been made for this patient. We will look at analysis module with another example. For the demonstration of the analysis module, I have selected a demo case which is available in Complete Dynamics for every user. You can freely play with it, and it contains the examples like they are explained in the manual. I will start by selecting a simple analysis. I now go to the analysis module. You will see that on the left hand side there is an overview of all the symptoms as we found them in the patient and wanted to add to the analysis. On the right hand side you see the overview of a number of different standard analysis methods that Complete Dynamics has for you. It is very easy to see how strongly a remedy is covered by the analysis. We can also look at an analysis result in another way, in a table form. In this table you see the remedies listed on the top, the symptoms on the left side. What I can do is click on a remedy and instantly see in which rubrics it occurs. The other way around, I can simply select a rubric and see which remedies are covered by that rubric. The same mechanism can be used in the overview of analysis we saw before. By clicking on a remedy, it is easy to see where it occurs in the other analysis methods. You see that for small remedies, pulsatilla does not show in the list, which is not so surprising. If you want to quickly find a remedy in each of these analyses, you just type the abbreviation and it shows where they are. There is much more to tell about the analysis module because it is very powerful. But because this is just a simple demonstration, there's not much I want to say about it. I'll just show you quickly polar correction, contraindication of remedies. We can also change the weight of individual symptoms or individual rubrics. We can easily decide not to use certain symptoms. It's easy to select rubrics, navigate them between symptoms, etc. etc. There's really a lot that you can do. Let's now take a look at the Materia Medica module. In this module, you simply enter the abbreviation of a remedy, or if you don't know the abbreviation of the remedy, you just look it up quickly and select it. Now a number of options become available. The first one here, listed as repertory, is what we call the reverse materia medica. It makes a selection of the most appropriate rubrics in the repertory for the remedy that you have selected. Also about this there's a lot to say, but we'll just take a look at the other. These are real materia medica works. There are various of them by the best known authors. And we have even integrated the access to a Proofings website, the well-known proofings.info. From here you can instantly look at the proofing information. Now that you have seen the main modules of Complete Dynamics, we can also give an example of how things are integrated. In the Book module, you can, with a pop-up menu, easily get remedy information. Or you can find remedy details in the Kingdom and Families and Remedies chapters. Instantly jump to the Materia Medica module. Go directly to the Proofings website, and you have various options to add the remedy to the analysis. Similar options are available in the Analysis module, etc., etc.